Hi, sweet people, welcome to my channel. And today's video, I have a great news about WhatsApp for the smartphone users, definitely. But before revealing this news, I have a request for you people. Please watch the full video and like, comment, and share this video with your friend. And let's start the video. So, there is a great news for the WhatsApp users, the largest mobile messaging application. It has been said that you now be able to use two WhatsApp accounts simultaneously in their smartphones. But for this, the mobile must have a dual SIM. This feature has been introduced in mobile phones considering the dual SIM system. As with dual SIM support, users can use two numbers in one phone, but WhatsApp account only works on one number. The management says that this feature is called Dual Messenger in Samsung phones, Dual App in Xiaomi, Clone App in Realme, Parallel Apps in OnePlus, Clone Apps in Oppo, Apps Clone in Vivo, and App Twin in Huawei. With the help of these features, a duplicate app of any supported app can be created, which can be used to access two different accounts in the same phone. How to enable this feature in your smartphone? Just go to the settings of any phone and click on the advanced features and click on the tool messenger option. From the bottom, a list will appear which will be compatible with dual messenger, of which was turn on by clicking on the app and then click on the install option. So that was the great news for the WhatsApp users. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you will like this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.